The chief of the armed forces from Brazil is set to embark on a visit to India this week, and the visit aims to explore various Indian-made weapon systems that could bolster Brazil's defense capabilities. One of the key areas of focus of the Brazilian delegation during this visit will be to add new weapons to its newly inducted Gripen fighter jets. The Gripen is equipped with 200 km range meter missile that costs $3.2 million. But the Brazilian Air Force aims to enhance their capabilities further by integrating the 110 km range Astra Mk1 missile, which costs $1 million per unit. India has already equipped its Su-30 and Tejas Mk1 aircraft with the Astra Mk1 missile, and integration is in advanced stage on MiG-29 UPG. That will be followed by Rafale fighter jets, which makes the Astra Mk1 an attractive option for the Brazilian Air Force. A private sector company and the DRDO's Electronics and Radar Development Establishment are collaborating to build the first gallium nitride-based Uttam Mark3 ACE radar in 2024 that will replace the existing Russian-origin radar on the Su-30 aircraft. The developmental trials for the new radar will commence in 2025 and will utilize two Su-30 aircraft as testbeds. The program is funded by the Indian Air Force, and the Air Force will start phased replacement of the Russian radars on at least 150 Su-30 aircraft from 2027 onwards. An image of Indian Air Force's S-400 air defense system has appeared on social media, which shows the transporter erector launcher developed to carry the 400 km range 40N6C missile and 120 km range 9M96C2 missile. While the exact location of the S-400 system captured in the image remains unknown, but there are speculations that it could be deployed in the northeast, that will play a pivotal role in deterring potential threats and maintaining stability in the strategic region. The Inspector General of the Central Reserve Police Force assessed the newly introduced six-wheeled armored amphibious platform at the 110th Battalion in Pulwama. The paramilitary variant of WhAP comes in wood camouflage and is equipped with 7.62mm remote-controlled weapon station and amphibious capabilities that will enable the CRPF to navigate aquatic obstacles in regions where infiltration is a pressing concern. Hindustan Aeronautics is seeking a partner from the Indian private sector for the joint development of the Indian multi-role helicopter from the design stage itself. HAL is likely to collaborate with Airbus or Sikorsky to design and develop the transmission and rotor system of the Indian multi-role helicopter. HAL and Safran will also start design work on an entirely new clean-sheet turboshaft engine in the next 3 months, and the development work will be completed in 6 years. According to a media report, major defense deals with Russia have already seen delays, and they continue to face uncertainty. Payments of around $3 billion are held up currently, and while the two sides have been trying to settle payments through a rupee-ruble arrangement, but it has failed to solve the crisis due to the huge trade imbalance and rupees accumulating on the Russian side. Officials have said that the revised delivery schedule of weapon systems can be worked out once there is clarity on the payment schedule.